Hello friends. As you all are aware, this is planet Earth, one of the many planets in this universe. The beauty of its landscape, mountains, deserts and oceans is beyond comparison to anything yet discovered. The Earth consists of characters like humans, animals, plants, etc., which makes it one of the liveliest planets in the universe. But today, our planet is not in a good shape and may not survive long. And the reason for it is we humans. In the last 5 years, we have viewed and understood videos related to water pollution, air pollution, noise, plastic issues, and common problems caused by e-waste. All this has been contributing to affecting the environment. One more key reason for it is climate change. Are you aware of what this is doing to our planet? The Earth is facing a major issue of climate change, which is also known as global warming. It's nothing but the process of our planet heating up. The driving force behind the Earth's climate is the energy from sun. Energy travels from the sun in the form of short-wave infrared radiation. Some of it doesn't get through the Earth's atmosphere, but a lot of it does get absorbed by the land and oceans. The Earth re-radiates the energy back in the form of long-wave infrared radiations. The gases in the Earth's atmosphere are called greenhouse gases, trap some of these radiations. These gases consist of water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane, which acts as a blanket over the Earth, which is natural. Without these blankets of gases, the global temperature would have been 20 to 30 degrees colder and making it very difficult for us to survive on Earth. In the past few decades, humans have been the cause for significant increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, especially carbon dioxide. Excess use of vehicles, burning of fossil fuels, gases released from factories, cutting down of trees, and different kinds of pollution has led to more carbon dioxide released into the air. All this has resulted into the greenhouse effect. That is, a rise in temperature that the Earth experiences because greenhouse gases trap energy from the sun. Some of the energy passes back into space, but much of it remains trapped in the atmosphere by more carbon dioxide released into the air, causing our world to heat up. All this is resulting in sea level rise due to the melting of glaciers, which can result in submerging of islands and cities near coastal areas. Risk for hotter and more frequent extreme heat waves. Heavy rainfall becoming more common in many locations. With extreme climate change, agriculture will be affected, resulting in shortage of food supply. Increasing temperatures resulting in animals migrating to higher elevations. Ocean acidification due to the extra carbon dioxide in the atmosphere being absorbed makes it difficult for corals and microorganisms to survive, and also disrupting the food supply for other sea animals. Wildfires has burnt vast amount of forests, and climate change will worsen wildfire conditions in the future. Global warming will increase the risk of droughts in some regions. With all this, the Earth has warmed up by an average of 1 degree Celsius in the last century. If the Earth warms up anywhere between 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius, 18% of insects, 16% of plants, and 8% of animals will lose their natural range and destroy 90% of what remains in the world's coral reefs. Aren't these facts shocking? Alarm bells are ringing and the world must wake up. How can we save our Earth from this deadly problem of climate change? You all are the future residents of this planet and can contribute towards it by simply implementing a few steps. 1. Start using bicycles or public transport while traveling. This will significantly help in reducing carbon emissions. 2. Plant more trees as it will help in absorbing the excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. 3. Make more use of solar and wind energy so as to minimize the use of electricity. 4. Use the fundamentals of reduce, reuse, and recycle that will ensure effective use of our natural resource. And 5. Reduce the use of air conditioners, which majorly contributes to warming up of the atmosphere. Only strong and collective actions can help save our planet from the effects of climate change. Be responsible and act towards implementing few positive steps and become a hero. Let's all take pledge to consciously work towards saving the Earth and fight against global warming.